Thank you for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my new weekly art lessons. And this time up, I have another preview here of one of my Skillshare classes. This one is going to be in depth on how to use some of these watercolor pencils. If you've never used them before, or maybe you're just looking for some extra guidance on how to use them, you can feel free to check out my Skillshare class. I will leave a link down in the description. But again, I will go into further detail in how to layer and use them through this floral demonstration here. Also, I have many other watercolor classes if you're interested, and I also have acrylic paintings as well, and some like ink illustrations. So if any of that has any interest for you, then you can feel free to click the link below. And thank you so much for watching.